Practice this to lower the risk of prostate cancer. If you're worried about the risk of prostate cancer in your future, what can you do about it? The answer may surprise you. Just eat healthy and exercise, and you are good to go. But how can good nutrition lower your risk of prostate cancer? The answer to that question may be even more surprising. Watch this video to the end to learn more about the role of nutrition in preventing prostate cancer and increasing life expectancy in general. Welcome to Eat Fit Therapy. This channel will teach you how to use everything nutrition as medicine to heal the body and solve most problems people are facing about nutrition, cooking, and eating food. Everyday good nutrition is good for everyday good health. Please subscribe, like, share, and toggle the bell icon for notifications for our future post. Nutritional therapy. It is no secret that eating good food and living a healthy life can help prevent a whole host of diseases. But did you know that good nutrition can also help lower your risk of prostate cancer? Research suggests that eating lots of plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains, maintaining a healthy weight, limiting alcohol intake, not smoking, exercising regularly, and reducing stress may all reduce the risk for prostate cancer. The role of diet in preventing prostate cancer. While the jury is still out on whether or not diet can directly cause or prevent prostate cancer, we do know that eating good food and living a healthy life can play a role in cancer prevention. A healthy diet includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limits processed meats, saturated fats, and alcohol. Studies have shown that men who eat a lot of red meat or high-fat dairy products have an increased risk of prostate cancer. Cruciferous vegetables. Eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale may help lower your risk of prostate cancer. That's because these veggies contain sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to fight cancer in laboratory studies. Sulforaphane works by helping the body detoxify harmful chemicals and by boosting the production of enzymes that protect cells from damage. So make sure to include plenty of cruciferous vegetables in your diet if you want to enjoy a healthy life and lower your risk of prostate cancer. What else should we avoid? In addition to eating good food, there are other things you can do to lower your risk of prostate cancer. Avoiding tobacco is one of the most important things you can do. Men who smoke are more likely to get prostate cancer. You should also avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Fish oil is excellent for diets. There are many benefits to taking fish oil supplements. One benefit is that it can help lower your risk of prostate cancer. The antioxidants in fish oil help to protect cells from damage. They also help to reduce inflammation. Probiotics are important as well. Good nutrition is one important way to reduce your risk of prostate cancer. Another is to make sure you are getting enough probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that have many health benefits, including a reduced risk of prostate cancer. They can be found in fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, or in supplements. Look for a supplement that contains at least 10 billion CFUs, colony-forming units, and has a variety of different strains of probiotics. Green tea is another option. There are many foods that are effective in fighting cancer, but did you know that green tea is one of them? Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which has been shown to kill cancer cells without harming healthy cells. In addition, green tea has been shown to reduce the risk of prostate cancer by up to 50%. So if you're looking for another way to fight cancer, consider adding green tea to your diet. In addition to all, you should not be stressed, have a good rest and engage in proper physical activity. All these are 20% whilst diet is 80% of the solution. I hope you enjoyed today's edition. If you want to know how to prevent other nutritional health-related disease such as diabetes, and how to live comfortably with diabetes, then watch this video to learn more. We post new videos every week to educate the effect of good nutrition in our daily health lifestyle. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and toggle the bell icon for future notifications for our future posts. Thank you.